filter. The natural world stays in link with cosmic rhythm or close, but human beings can be way off kilter. So if we can take our individual that's the other thing. Every human rhythm is different. Whereas in the natural world, there's a kinship. If you see one forest or another forest, or even the animals, they're very consistent in their behavioral patterns. But every human being, the yogis say that every human being is its own species, because the minds can be so different. Until you get to know that person, you don't know what their mind is like. Whereas we can make very common assessments of the natural world because there's a consistency to how they present. But human beings don't have that consistency because mind is so much more complex. So anyway, as we unwind and we get our individual rhythm lined up with those wheels moving together, we kind of let go of our individuality and link up with the natural flow and ultimately into cosmic flow or cosmic rhythm. Then our wheel is no longer off kilter. We're slowly getting it in sync into a more and more subtle and very universal rhythm. And that's part of the oneness that the yogis are talking about. There's cosmic breath and there's unit breath. And as our minds, we cool the jets of our own mind and get them linked with that the like flow of our own of consciousness or something more universal, then we're going to feel more at peace. But the more we run around in the world, our own wheel starts spinning in its own way. And everybody's wheel is spinning its own way. That's why there's so much chaos in the world. But as we get our rhythm, our cart, our wheel lined up with a greater cosmic wheel, we feel better, and everything else in the world will also be better. So that's why it's so important for us to meditate and for everybody to meditate. Without that, the world gets a little bit complex. Okay.